In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy SpaceX stocks on Robinhood. So if you didn't know, Elon Musk's company SpaceX recently went public, so you're able to buy shares now. So let's go to our Robinhood account. And what you want to do, it's the same thing for any other stock that you want to buy. So go ahead to the magnifying glass at the bottom of your screen here. And as you see, I already have it loaded up, but go ahead and type in SpaceX and this will come up on your feed here. So the only thing you really need to do here is make sure that you're in the correct account that you want to be in, and then go to trade and then go to buy, and then figure out how many shares you want to buy. The good thing about Robinhood is that you can buy fractional shares. So go ahead and do the math with whatever it is that you want to buy here. So let's just do something like this. And all you have to do is, once you have this figured out, go to review, and it's going to give you a summary of the cost of what you're buying for the number of shares. And then you would just go ahead and swipe up to submit. That will take a couple seconds, but that's it. The order is completed, and now you have a part of that SpaceX stock, and that's it. So now it should automatically be featured on your portfolio here. And as you see at the very bottom, I have some shares of SpaceX. But that's it. It's super simple and super